Who remembers when changing air filters was easy? On this 66 Dodge, all you gotta do, spin off the wing nut, take the lid off, take the air filter element out, put the new one in, put the lid back on, put the wing nut back on. You're done in less than 60 seconds. Then we got into spring clips on the housing. This is my 2012 Acura TSX wagon. You undo the clips, lift the lid up, take the filter element out, the new one in, put the lid back down, snap on the clips, and you're done. Now here's our 2024 Acura RDX. According to YouTube Auto Mechanic videos, I have to take this whole panel off by prying it up. Then I've got to get this housing off. Then I got to take 4 screws. I don't have to take them out, but I got to undo them. Then lift this housing up, pull out the filter, put the new one back in, then put the lid down, fit this cone or whatever you want to call it on, and then somehow snap all this crap back in. Are you kidding me? All this so far just to change this stupid air filter. And by the way, instead of spring clips, we need to have 8mm screw heads, 4, to do this. This is the bottom side of the engine air filter. It's got 15,000, almost 16,000 miles on it. The dealer, when I had the oil change, that said the filters were dirty. I still wonder if they actually took all this shit off to tell me this. But they wanted $170 to change the engine filter and the cabin filter. You see down in the box all the crap that gets sucked up. That's a little better. Now I gotta put all this shit back together. If you are putting these bolts back in with an 8mm socket, be smart and don't drop it somewhere down in there that now I've got to get a magnet on a telescoping stick and try and fish out. Well, that's how you get that out. Let's not drop it into the intake. Was my buddy Dom got me this magnet thing. I always said, well, I don't need this stupid thing. I don't drop shit. Thanks, Dom. Look at this. This is how we hold cars together today. You got to take this piece of junk and get it into there and snap it back into place and do the same with this one. What happened to good old-fashioned bolts? You mean to tell me the dealer took this all apart to tell me my air filter was dirty, only for me to not give them the money to do the job? Nah, I don't think so. This is ridiculous. When life was simple.